Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram loading problem on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Telegram app, and this is window which is go down to found Telegram app and we will click here on Telegram, and we come here to this is window. We will click here on for stop and we will click here on OK, and we will just click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache and we will click here on manage storage. Then we will go up. We will click here on up and we will click here on clear local, and you will just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.